right, everybody. So we are going to look at a punctuation lesson today. And we are going to be looking at something called periods, question marks, and exclamation marks. Okay, so we're going to write some sentences. Martin went fishing. What about Jenny ate pizza? The dog played with the ball. Okay, so we have 3 sentences here. And when we have a full sentence or something special that we always do at the end of the sentence, when it is telling us something, we put what's called a period at the end of the sentence. So Martin went fishing, period. It's the end of a sentence. It's the end of a complete thought. Here, Jenny ate pizza, lucky duck. That's the end of a sentence. So we're going to put a period. The dog played with the ball. That's the end of a sentence. All right, so when we have a full sentence, we always have to put a period at the end of it. Jenny went to the store. She bought apples and bananas. When she was there,